Hi guys, this is Miss Christie or Miss Christodulu. Today I'm viewing as a student, so I'm Kelly the student, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make sure that you know how to retake quizzes and tests in your OLMS system. Okay, so you know you did bad, or maybe you don't know you did bad, but you have an F, right, a failing grade, and your parents are like, oh no, you have a failing grade, and you're like, well, I don't know, but I think I can retake a quiz or a test, or I heard it somewhere, I'm not sure what to do. And so what you're going to do is you log in and you're like, oh, and so you go here, you look, and you go, okay, I'm going to look at my classes. Oh, okay, here's a computer lit class, and you're going to go in there, and I'm going to go to class, and I'm going to visit the home screen. This is just like walking into the class door of a brick and mortar class. Yes, here we go. Okay. Well, I go in, and you're going to, on your class, I'm going to view as a student. Okay. And I see that you have your grades right there. Your grades will pop up there, but Kelly Christie, the student, won't have grades, obviously. But anyways, you're going to keep going, and you'll see, okay, I have an F. I'm not sure about that. So what you can do is you're going to go over to content. This is the way to find it. You're going to go over to content. Oh, no, my parents are getting on to me. Oh, what am I to do? Okay, so then you're going to go down, and you're going to scroll down. You know we're in Unit 6, which is really kind of like a Chapter 6. It's a book and like a brick and mortar. You're going to scroll down and look and see, okay, links, we read those. Those are like book pages. Okay, link, assignment. I turned that in, okay, because it's required. All right, and then quiz. All right, let me click on the quiz, because that's what I might not have done, quiz. Okay. Ooh, let's see. Oh, hi, quiz. Quizlet study review. Oh, I didn't do that. I didn't look over that. So you might want to look over the Quizlet study review, and then it says start quiz, attempt quiz. And so here is where you can take another attempt at your quiz, okay? So right there is where you know you can take another attempt at your quiz. And like, yes, my parents are going to be really excited because I know I can take 3 attempts on that quiz. And so after I look at the Quizlet study review, bam, I'm going to do much better. And then my parents are going to be super excited, or my LC is going to be super excited. And so I know I'm going to get that taken care of. Woo! Out of the way. Fantastic. So there you go. That's how you can find out how to retake tests and quizzes. Bye-bye.